Ever found yourself setting up your online booking system, meticulously crafting your services and availability on Acuity Scheduling, only to pause and wonder, how exactly do you get paid? You're not alone. That little question mark hovering over the payment process is something many service providers grapple with. Think about it. You've poured your heart and soul into building your business. You've streamlined your scheduling, making it a breeze for clients to book appointments. But at the end of the day, you need to get compensated for your valuable time and expertise. So, how does Acuity Scheduling bridge that gap between booked appointments and actual income landing in your account? Well, that's precisely what we're diving into today. Forget the generic introductions. Let's get straight to the heart of the matter. Understanding how client payments work on Acuity Scheduling is crucial for a smooth and successful business operation. It not only ensures you get paid promptly, but also contributes to a professional and trustworthy client experience. Acuity Scheduling itself doesn't directly process payments. Instead, it acts as a powerful intermediary, seamlessly integrating with popular payment processors to handle the financial transactions. Think of Acuity as the well-organized front desk of your business, managing appointments and client information, while the payment processor is the secure cashier handling the money. The key players in this payment ecosystem are the payment processors that Acuity Scheduling connects with. Currently, the primary integrations are with Stripe and PayPal. These are established and widely trusted platforms that handle online payments securely and efficiently. Understanding how each of these works within the Acuity framework is essential. Let's start with Stripe. Stripe is a robust and versatile payment gateway that allows you to accept a wide range of payment methods directly from your clients. When you integrate your Acuity account with Stripe, your clients can pay using their credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and more, debit cards, and even other payment options depending on your region and Stripe setup, like Apple Pay and Google Pay. The beauty of Stripe integration lies in its seamlessness. When a client books an appointment through your Acuity Scheduling page, they'll be prompted to enter their payment details directly on the booking form. This information is securely transmitted to Stripe for processing, and Acuity receives confirmation of the payment status. You, as the business owner, don't have to handle any sensitive credit card information directly, enhancing security and peace of mind. Stripe offers a high degree of customization. You can configure it to charge clients at the time of booking, allowing you to secure payment upfront. This is particularly useful for reducing no-shows and ensuring you're compensated for your time, even if a client cancels last minute, depending on your cancellation policy, of course. Alternatively, you can choose to authorize the payment at the time of booking and then capture the funds later, for example, after the service has been rendered. This flexibility caters to various business models and preferences. Furthermore, Stripe provides detailed reports and dashboards, allowing you to track your payments, refunds, and overall financial performance directly within your Stripe account. Acuity will also reflect the payment status of each appointment, giving you a clear overview of your booked and paid services. Now, let's turn our attention to PayPal. PayPal is another widely used and trusted online payment platform. Integrating Acuity with PayPal allows your clients to pay for their appointments using their PayPal accounts or as a guest using a credit or debit card through the PayPal interface. When a client chooses to pay via PayPal during the Acuity booking process, they will typically be redirected to the PayPal website or a secure PayPal pop-up window to log into their account or enter their payment details. Once the payment is processed by PayPal, Acuity receives confirmation, and the appointment is finalized. Similar to Stripe, PayPal offers the option to require payment at the time of booking. This helps protect your revenue and ensures commitment from your clients. PayPal also provides transaction history and reporting within your PayPal account, allowing you to manage your finances effectively. One of the advantages of offering PayPal as a payment option is its widespread recognition and user base. Many clients are already familiar and comfortable using PayPal for online transactions, which can increase their confidence in booking your services. So, how do you actually set up these payment integrations within Acuity Scheduling? The process is generally straightforward. You'll need to have an account with either Stripe or PayPal, or both, if you choose to offer multiple payment options. Within your Acuity Scheduling account settings, you'll find a section dedicated to payment integrations. Here, you can connect your Stripe or PayPal account by following the on-screen instructions, which usually involve entering your API keys or linking your existing account. Once the integration is set up, you can then configure your appointment types to require payment. For each service you offer, you can specify whether payment is required at the time of booking and which payment methods you accept if you've integrated both Stripe and PayPal. It's important to consider your pricing strategy and cancellation policies in conjunction with your payment settings. Clearly communicate your payment terms to your clients during the booking process and on your website. This transparency helps avoid misunderstandings and ensures a positive client experience. Acuity also offers features related to payments beyond the initial booking. For instance, if you need to issue a refund, you would typically do so through your Stripe or PayPal account. Acuity will then reflect the refunded status of the appointment. Furthermore, Acuity can be used to sell packages, gift certificates, and subscriptions, and the payment for these can also be processed through your integrated payment gateway. This expands your revenue streams and allows for more flexible service offerings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.